A cache game list that isn't refreshing is usually a loading or account sync issue, so the safest first step is to refresh the offer list and verify that you're still viewing the same Freecash account. By the end, you'll know how to refresh the game list, check whether an offer is actually available, troubleshoot the Freecash app or browser, and avoid actions that can interfere with offer tracking. Start by closing the Freecash offer page and opening the game section again. If the list updates after reopening it, the problem was likely limited to the previous page session. If you're using the Freecash app, completely close the app and reopen it. Then sign into the same account and check the game list again. If you're using Freecash in a browser, reload the page. You can also open Freecash in another supported browser to check whether the problem is limited to your current browser session. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent a current offer list from loading correctly, even when other parts of the website appear to work. If the list still looks outdated, open a specific game offer if one is already visible. Check its requirements and availability instead of relying only on the game list. Also verify that you're using the same Freecash account where your previous activity was recorded. If you accidentally sign into another account, your available offers and activity can look different. Don't uninstall games connected to existing Freecash offers just because the game list isn't refreshing. If you've already started an offer, preserving the original installation and account setup can help protect its tracking. Don't create another Freecash account to get a different game list. Troubleshoot the existing account first. If you're looking for a specific game and it isn't appearing, search Freecash using the available offer or game search tools if your account provides them. Offer availability can vary, so a game missing from the list doesn't necessarily mean the entire platform is broken. If the game list remains unchanged after restarting the app or browser, take a screenshot of what you're seeing. Include the game section and any visible error or loading message. If other account features are also failing, use the available Freecash support option and explain that the game list isn't refreshing. Include the screenshot and describe whether you're using the mobile app or a browser. The important checks are simple. Refresh the list, restart Freecash, verify the account, and check an individual offer before changing anything related to an existing game. Your next step is to completely close Freecash, reopen the same account, and check the game list again. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more Freecash fixes, offer guides, and troubleshooting tips.